Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're looking at our 80 Chevy Camaro. See, it's a little dusty. I'd call it a driving project. Come out of Sturgis area. You can see some paint's faded. Got the old air induction hood. It's Z28. You can see the paint is faded up there, but the T-tops, windshield's cracked. Interior's kind of tough shape. No back seat at all, actually. And the front seats are bad. A little bit of rust on the front on both sides. Doors shut good for a big old Camaro. That's pretty good. Not too bad right here. No major rust. Does got a dent right there, if you can see that. Spoiler and everything's here. Got some scratches. Paint's faded. There's your rear deck, all weathered. Probably some hail on top of the fenders. Kind of looks like, or dings or something. Same deal here, some faded paint and stuff. We'll try this. This quarter's the worst, as you've seen in the pictures. Some Bondo bent in there and some rust. So that quarter's gonna need some work. So if you're looking for 80 Camaro Z28, that's kind of a driving project. You got a low budget, you can put in it as you may. This one is pretty solid car. Like I said, needs a little floor work on the front. 605-695-7391.